See, this is the program that I have written in my mobile, which will show how to check a number is even or odd without using if-else statement. See, I haven't used the if-else statement here, but if I run the code, see what will be the output. Here the compilation is successful and it's asking me to check even or odd. If I enter 6, then it will show it is a even number. See how the program is working. Let me clear that. See, here I have used what sc.next int to receive user input, which will be stored on the name variable. Then I have used a string output. This is called ternary operator. Understood? This is called ternary operator. See how it is working. Let me clarify first. See, I have used a output variable which is of string type, then equal to, there is a condition num modulo operator with 2 equal to 0. This is the condition part. First leave the condition, that is num modulo operator 2 equal to 0. If this will be satisfied, then the string which is after question mark, that will be returned and stored in the output variable. But it is not satisfied. But if the condition is not satisfied, then the string which is after the colon, that will be returned and stored on the output. And at last I have printed the value of the output. Understood? This is the whole concept. First the condition will be checked. If the condition is satisfied, then the first string will be returned and stored on the output variable, and if the condition is not satisfied, then the second string, that is odd number, which will return and stored on the output variable. Let me check again. I will run the code first. See, here I will given another number, that is 7. It will saying odd number it is. Understood? This is the concept.